Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find plus codes in Google Maps. Plus codes are really useful for sharing precise locations, especially in areas where traditional addresses might not work well or simply don't exist. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will bring you to the familiar Google Maps interface where you can search for any location around the world. Once the page loads, you'll see the search bar sitting prominently at the top of your screen. In that search bar, type in the name of the place where you want to find the plus code. This could be a specific business, a landmark, a restaurant, or any location you're interested in. Just enter the name or address and hit enter or click the search icon. Google Maps will then process your search and display the location on the map. After the search completes, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel that pops up showing all the relevant details about the place you searched for. This panel contains useful information like photos, reviews, opening hours, and other key details that help you understand more about the location. Give it a moment to fully load if needed. Now scroll down through this details panel. As you move through the information, you'll pass by sections showing things like the address, website, phone number, and other contact details. Keep scrolling until you spot the section that displays the address and location information more specifically. Here's where you'll find the plus code. It's displayed with a distinctive icon that looks like a series of dots arranged in a cross or grid pattern. This icon makes it easy to identify among the other details. The plus code itself is a unique combination of letters and numbers that pinpoints the exact location on the map. To copy the plus code, simply click on it. Google Maps will automatically copy it to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Whether you're sharing it with someone via text, email, or another app, you now have that precise location code ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied a plus code from Google Maps, giving you a reliable way to share exact locations with anyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.